In the code of the operating system iOS 14, mention was made of a certain iPhone 9 Plus. This suggests that in the near future Apple plans to release not one, but two budget smartphones at once. However, when the company will introduce new gadgets, it remains a mystery. A conditional presentation was scheduled for March, but was postponed due to an outbreak of coronavirus. Portal 9to5Mac found out some details regarding the release of the iPhone 9 smartphone, which is considered the budget successor to the iPhone SE. As follows from the code in iOS 14. Apple is also working on a larger version of the new gadget called iPhone 9 Plus. The diagonal of its LCD screen will be 5.5 inches, and the iPhone 9 to 4.7 inches. Both iPhone SE2 smartphones will run on the A13 Bionic processor. The same chip is used in the iPhone 11 and iPhone 11 Pro. This fact should attract an audience of Apple, which still uses the iPhone 6 and iPhone 7 models, as it is not ready to spend money on flagship models. The smartphone will retain the home button, as well as the Touch ID fingerprint scanner. Owners of iPhone SE2 or iPhone 9 and iPhone 9 Plus will be able to take advantage of Apple Pay and Express Transit features, which are not available for some older models. In addition, new gadgets will have the ability to scan NFC tags. Earlier it was reported that the iPhone SE2 will support wireless charging, as well as a gadget equipped with a Lightning connector. It is worth noting that the names of the iPhone 9 and iPhone 9 Plus are not officially approved by Apple and may subsequently change. Earlier, some media reported that the budget smartphone will be called iPhone SE2, but this information is also not confirmed. If you believe the analyst Min-Chi Kuo, a model with a 4.7-inch screen will cost the user $399. The memory capacity will be either 64 GB or 128 GB. In this case, the iPhone 9 will be presented in gray, silver or red. It is not yet known exactly how much the model with the Plus prefix will cost, but, as a rule, the improved iPhone with a large screen was estimated at $100 more. As for the release date of the new gadgets, their presentation was previously scheduled for March 2020, but was postponed due to an outbreak of coronavirus. This decision was made due to the fact that authorities in the U.S. District of Santa Clara, where Apple's headquarters are located, ban mass gatherings due to the growing danger of COVID-19.